Alright, my MBRP exhaust just came in. Here it is. Got the resonator, pipe extension, pipe. We'll do a start up of before. And then we'll do an after. Here it is. This is the 3-inch MagnaFlow, or sorry, not MagnaFlow, MBRP. And there's your factory. I still haven't trimmed the middle piece. So here's the big difference. Right there, that's all 3-inch. There, 2.5. And then it goes into 3. I got it with the resonator. I'll just have to trim this middle piece. I got it all out in one piece. I just loosened the clamp off that one right there, pulled her apart. Out it came. Okay, oh, and I don't got that on. I just wanted to see them side by side for myself, but there's my hardware, my tip. So now, install time. Okay, here it is. Here it is, the MBRP exhaust installed. Listen. Sounds pretty good. Thanks for